how it was or how it's gonna be. I'm what she wants, you're just what she needs. And yeah, she still loves me, she still loves me. Where is her sweater? It's not in her car. It's not at a friend's house. It's not at the bar. I think you better think with the heart. Take a look at yourself and see how lucky you really are. I don't believe in luck after all. Neither does she, but you know that now. You should forget her, 'cause I've got her heart. She hates the way that I tear it apart. I know it's all now for you to see. You can't change how it was or how it's gonna be. I'm what she wants, you're just what she needs. Oh well, she still loves me, she still loves me. What did she do? It took her so long. Where has she been to? Where has she gone? What does she think about when she sees the dawn? When you feel her thinking and rolling around. What does she talk about when her father calls? She says what you say. She says that old man, you're the one. What does she talk about when her mother calls? And you don't come up, you don't come up at all. Hey, hey. What do we do in life? It takes us so long. Why we waste so much time? You know I'll never know. Why do we either stay here and we go? Why does everybody think that they can do both? And I know it's more now for you to see. Change how it was or how it's gonna be. I'm what she wants, you're just what she needs. And well, she still loves me, yeah, she still loves me. I know it's so now for you to see, 'cause you can't change a thing about how it used to be. And I'm what she wants and you are just what she needs. And she still loves me, and she still loves me.